How to tag someone on Facebook Reel after posting. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete, and I'm back with new video. And on this video we will see how we can tag someone on Facebook Reel after posting. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in with your account. After that, you have to get to your reel. So for that, tap on your profile icon from the top left corner just below the home icon. Now once on your profile page, if you scroll down a bit, and under this menu bar with an option as post, photos and videos, tap on the video option. That's gonna take you to your reel section. So from here, you have to select the reel that you would like to tag someone. If you have already posted it, tap on it. After that, tap on the three dots icon from this menu bar at your right hand side corner. A menu bar will pop up. From here, tap on edit reel option. Now tap on this text bar that says describe your reel. You can also add hashtags here. After you tap on it, they will have an option as mention. Tap on it, and here you can tag your friend. And once you're done with that, simply tap on save. And with that, now you have tagged your friend on Facebook Reel after you have posted it. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.